Good morning, PUC second year students. Today, let us study the remaining chapter of 4, that is the theory of the firm under the perfect competition. There is a question for 5 marks. You have to calculate the TR, MR, AR. So, there is a price of per unit is Rs10 with price per 10. You have to find out the TR, MR, AR and MR also you have to find out. There is a question you have to find out. The question is assignment and project oriented question for 5 marks. The question is compute the total revenue TR, marginal revenue MR and average revenue AR scheduled in the following table when market price of each unit of goods is Rs10. Once again, compute the total revenue TR, marginal revenue MR, average revenue AR scheduled in the following table when market price of each unit of goods is Rs10. There is, you have to find out the TR, MR, AR with Rs10. There is the quantity sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the price is per unit of price is Rs10. You have to find out the TR, MR and AR with the help of the formula. Already you have studied how to find out the TR, how to find out the MR and how to find out the AR. So many the revenues and the costs are you have know about how to find out. And how to solve this problem according to this question, you have to find the solution. What to do for problems, how to solve these problems. First of all, what you have to do? You have to keep the price of Rs10. Keep the price of Rs10 like this. P, the price is 10. Where is the solutions? P, Q, TR, P into Q, AR is equal to MR, N is equal to TR, N minus 1. You prepare the chart of like this. First, to count the columns, how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are there. You have to prepare like this. First, to keep the price is 10. The price of 10. Keep the 10. Price is 10. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You keep the price. Price is Rs10. And Q. How many Q are there? There are 6. 0 to 6. Keep as it is. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put like this. It is the total quantity sold. Quantity sold is Q means quantity, P means price. P means price. The price is per unit of goods is Rs 10. Yes, price is 10, 2 price is 10, 3 price is 10, 4 price is 10, 5 price is 10, 6 price is 10. Per each unit of price is 10. You keep as it is, P and Q. P is 10 and Q is like this. And you have to find out TR. How to find out TR? There is a formula to calculate TR. TR, how to find out? P into Q. 0 to 0, P into Q. Where is P into Q? P, Q. P into Q. 10 ones are 10. 10 into 1, 10. 10 into 2, 20. 10 into 3, 30. 10 into 4, 40. 10 into 5, 50. 10 into 6, 60. Already you have find out the TR. How to find out the TR? TR is equal to P into Q. TR is equal to P into Q. Like this. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 into 5 is 50, 10 into 6 is equal to 60. It is the total revenue. And how to find out AR? How to find out AR? AR is equal to TR divided by Q. Yesterday you have seen how to find out AR. AR is the per unit of output. Per unit of output it is called AR. And how to find out the AR? AR is equal to TR divided by Q. AR is equal to TR divided by Q. 0 to 0. 10 divided by 1 is equal to 10. 10 ones are 10. 20 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2. 2 2 only, 2 hathale. 2 tens are 20. It's also 10. 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. 40 divided by 40. 4 divided by 40, 10. 50 divided by 5, 10. 60 divided by 6, 10. The average revenue is per unit of price is 10. It is 10. And how to find out the MR? The MR, there is a formula. Marginal revenue, number of marginal revenue is equal to total revenue. Means total number of total revenue minus total revenue n minus 1. You have to find out the MR. How to find out the MR? The MR n is equal to TR n minus 1. That is 0 to 0. 10. How much increase? 10. 10 to 20. What is the difference between 10 to 20? 10. And what is the difference between 10 to 30? 10. What is the difference between 10 to 40? 10. What is the difference between 40 to 50? 10. What is the difference between 60 to 50? it is also 10. This is MR. So, the question is very easy to solve the problems. So, you have to learn how to find out TR, MR, AR and so on. You learn how to find out like this TR, AR, MR, like this. If you solve like this the problem, you will get the 5 marks or 6 marks. The question is for, if the question is for 6 marks, you will get 6 marks. If it comes in 5 marks, you will get 5 marks. There is no doubt. You will have the 5 marks or 6 marks question, you will get 5 marks or 6 marks. No doubt. And prepare one more example. Solve like this. So, you are all prepare at home. There are take number of examples and try to solve like this. Try to solve the problem like this. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. Already you know my good name. My name is Ashok Vishnu Kurne. And my qualification MA, B.Ed, MPhil and 2 times I have passed the KSET Karnataka state level eligibility test. Don't forget my name and qualification and my teaching experience. Already my students are got out marks 100 to 100. I hope you also get out or 100 to 100 marks, no doubt. If you are follower of me, you will get out marks. If you neglect me and your result is yourself, so think of yourself and don't forget me. I wish all the best of you. Thank you one and all.